Welcome back MH Car Review. Today we are looking at something completely different from anything we have covered before. This is a 2026 concept build that takes the design language of a legendary Italian supercar brand and stretches it across a massive multi-axle motorhome. Yes, you heard that right. This is not your average camper van. This is a rolling piece of automotive art that blends luxury travel with supercar styling, and it genuinely looks like nothing else on the road today. Let us start with the exterior because that is where this vehicle grabs your attention immediately. The front end has a low and aggressive nose that looks like it was pulled straight off a track-focused hypercar. A slim curved LED headlight strip wraps across the face, giving it that unmistakable supercar glow at night. The body is finished in a matte gunmetal gray with gloss black accents around the intakes and trim, which gives it a very stealthy and premium presence. As you move along the side profile, you notice just how long this thing really is. It rides on 8 massive wheels split across multiple axles, each wrapped in deep dish gloss black rims that look almost sculptural. The proportions are unusual because you have this sleek supercar-inspired cabin up front that gradually flows into a much larger coach body behind it. Large tinted panoramic windows run along the side, allowing natural light into the living space while keeping the exterior looking sleek and private. Around the back, the design stays consistent with a tapered rear end and a slim horizontal light bar that mirrors the front. It is a design that manages to feel both aggressive and elegant at the same time, which is not an easy balance to strike on a vehicle this size. Now let us step inside because the interior is really where this concept shows its purpose. Up front you have a cockpit that feels like a genuine performance car rather than a truck cab. The dashboard is minimal and driver-focused with curved digital displays, ambient lighting strips and tan leather seating that feels custom-tailored. Brushed metal trim runs across the console, giving it a proper high-end feel rather than the plastic-heavy cabins you usually find in motorhomes. Move further back and you step into the living quarters, which completely change the tone of the vehicle. The kitchen area uses sleek matte cabinetry with an integrated induction cooktop and a stone finish countertop. Hidden LED lighting under the cabinets adds a soft glow at night, making it feel more like a modern apartment kitchen than something you would expect inside a camper. The lounge area continues that same theme with curved leather seating in tan and charcoal tones, ambient ceiling lighting and a large rear window that floods the space with natural light. Then there is the bedroom, which is arguably the most impressive part of the interior. A plush upholstered bed sits at the center, surrounded by soft ambient lighting, a built-in wardrobe and warm tones that create a genuinely relaxing atmosphere. Everything about the interior design suggests this was built for people who do not want to compromise on comfort just because they are traveling on the road. So how does something like this actually perform? Now, because this is a concept vehicle, we are speculating a little here, but based on the scale and design language we can make some educated assumptions. A vehicle of this size would likely be built on a heavy-duty multi-axle chassis similar to what you see in high-end coach conversions, most likely powered by a large diesel or hybrid drivetrain designed for smooth long-distance cruising rather than outright speed. With 8 wheels spread across the chassis, you would expect excellent stability at highway speeds, along with a suspension setup tuned for comfort given the luxury nature of the interior. Do not expect supercar acceleration here. The performance focus on something like this would be about smooth power delivery, quiet cabin insulation and confident handling despite the massive footprint. Think of it less as a sports car and more as a private jet that happens to drive on the road. Now let us talk about price, because this is obviously going to be an extremely exclusive vehicle. Given the branding, the custom interior craftsmanship and the sheer scale of engineering required to build something like this, we would expect a price tag well into the 7-figure range if this ever became a real production vehicle. Custom coach builders that specialize in ultra-luxury motorhomes already charge anywhere from $1 million up into the several $million range depending on materials and technology used inside. Given the supercar branding and design work shown here, this would likely sit at the very top end of that scale, positioning it as a vehicle for collectors and high net worth buyers rather than your everyday road tripper. Overall, this concept represents a fascinating idea of what happens when supercar design philosophy meets full-time luxury living on wheels. Whether or not something like this ever reaches production, it certainly gives us a glimpse into where ultra-luxury travel could be heading in the future. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more car content, and let us know in the comments whether you would want to see something like this actually built.